Hey there everybody, my name is AJ. I'm a service advisor at Audi Naples. I'm here to tell you guys why you should bring your Audis to me rather than having your service done at home or elsewhere. All of my technicians are factory trained to work on Audis and specifically Audis. So when you bring your Audi to me, it goes through a multi-point inspection. Every single car goes through that inspection. So you have a technician that looks at your car, that looks at these cars every day, and he knows what to look for during those multi-point inspections. Oftentimes we do find things, and usually the customer is very happy to find out that we did find what is up with their vehicle when they had no idea at all. In the event that your vehicle is here for service and we happen to find that there is something that needs repair on your car, we always offer loaner vehicles, Uber rides, and we have a fantastic waiting room with many amenities that you can hang out in with free Wi-Fi, TV, and a beautiful dealership to spend your time in during the day. I have a full room of specialized tools and technicians who are trained on how to use them. I have the full documentation of how to use those tools, when to use them, and a full list of common issues that vehicles go through that we go to look for while your vehicle is in for service. If you have a noise that you hear, a chirp, a sound, a whir, a rumble, oftentimes you're not the first person that's experienced that issue. And if you bring your vehicle to me, we have a long list of things to go through for every single car, no matter how big or small, that we can go back to and look at and figure out how to fix that issue. I have no lack of technician. I have 14 bays, including one four-wheel alignment bay in my shop. I have an express technician bay that has technicians who are there just to do oil changes, tire rotations, multi-point inspections, topping off fluids, and checking your vehicle over, so that in the event that you're here for something quick, that you're not held up behind somebody who's getting their brakes replaced or something else fixed on their vehicle, and you can go through quickly. Of course, every car that goes through obviously goes through the car wash so that it comes back out to you nice, shiny, and clean the way that you like to see it. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here at Naples Dealers, we're delivering the car and the experience, and I hope I've been able to show you a little bit of what that experience is about behind the shop door today.